Hi, my name is The Land, and today we're going on a trip through Italy, a country that feels less like a place and more like a beautiful, living feeling. Colosseum, Venice Canal, Florence Duomo, Positano Cliffs, Tuscan vineyards. For many of us, Italy is a dream spot, a place we see in movies and read about in books, old stones that tell stories and food that tastes like sunshine. But with so much to see and do, how do you pick? How do you feel the real heart of this amazing land? Today we'll hit 10 must-see places, cultural icons, jaw-dropping views, and timeless treasures. It's not just a list, it's an invite to jump in, walk, taste, and really connect with the heart of Italy. Grab your notebook, maybe a glass of wine, and get ready to feel excited. Our journey begins, as it must, in Rome. Here, every stone has a story. A living museum shaped the Western world. See the Colosseum and almost hear the roar of the crowd, the pulse of an empire. Wander the Forum, power, commerce, and faith, where senators debated and citizens prayed. Find a high view, look out, and let 2,000 years wash over you. Then cross into Vatican City, the spiritual heart within the city. Bernini's Embrace, Michelangelo's soaring dome, grandeur and harmony. From ancient to modern, all paths lead to the Sistine Chapel. Stand, look up, and just let it move you. From Rome, we float into a dream. Venice. No cars, no horns, just water, song, and time. Ride the Vaporetto along a parade of palazzos and markets. In Piazza San Marco, east meets west in glittering mosaics. Leave the crowds, get lost in campy bridges and craft. At dusk, take that gondola. Cliché or not, it's pure magic. Next, Florence. Compact, walkable, overflowing with art. Climb Brunelleschi's dome for a city of ideas at your feet. In the Uffizi, meet the Renaissance face to face. David in marble, strength, beauty, and humanism, perfected. Cross the Ponte Vecchio, then slow down for craft and cuisine. South to Amalfi, mountains plunge into a sparkling sea. Positano is vertical bliss, lanes, linen, and views for days. From the water, the cliffs and colors feel unreal. End with seafood, local wine, and a sky on fire. Up the Ligurian coast, Monterosso, Vernazza, Cornelia, Manarola, Rio Maggiore. Hike the Blue Trail through terraces above a deep blue sea. Each village has its soul, harbors, sunsets, sandy shores. Hop by train or ferry. Every angle is a postcard. Slow down. Pesto, Chiacchietra, and that sweet seaside calm. Inland to Chianti, postcard hills and cypress lanes. Medieval gems invite lingering walks and simple picnics. Learn Sangiovese, tour cool cellars, savor Chianti Classico. Stay on a farmhouse estate, breathe, and slow your pace. Milan pulses with design, ambition, and modern creativity. Climb the Duomo, marble lacework, and alpine horizons. Stroll the Galleria and spin on the bull for luck. Book ahead to feel Leonardo's drama in 15 unforgettable minutes. Fly south to Sicily, myth, markets, and molten mountains. In Taormina's theater, history meets a sublime backdrop. Evenings glow with strolls, ceramics, and icy sweet granita. Dip at Isola Bella, then walk Etna's otherworldly black rock. North to Lake Como, serene elegance where Alps meet water. Ride the ferries for the best views and unhurried rhythm. Wander gardens, sip cappuccino, and watch the lake breathe. Choose glamour by boat or panoramas from the hill trails. Finally, Pompeii, tragedy and preservation in haunting balance. Walk Roman streets, step into homes, and read daily life in detail. The plaster casts bring human stories close and stay with you. 10 essentials from Rome's epic past to Como's calm, each a window into Italy's soul. Like and subscribe for more places to visit. Thanks.